In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Odoo Custom Product Tabs and see how it works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. After installing the module, go to the website, open the e-commerce menu, select Products, open the configured product, and then go to the Tabs section. Now click Add a line. Enter the name as description, then specify the sequence number to control the display order. Next, add the content, such as Designed for the Modern Home and Office. Finally, click the Save and Close button. Again, click Add a line to create another product tab. Enter the name as Specifications, then specify the sequence number. Next, add the content, and finally, click the Save and Close button. Using the same method, I also created a Delivery tab. After that, you can see the Tab Type option. You can choose either vertical or horizontal depending on your requirements. Finally, click the Save button to save the changes. Now, go back to the website homepage, then click on Shop. Now, select the desired product. Once it opens, scroll down. As you can see, the product tabs are displayed in a horizontal layout, and you can also verify the content and the sequence. If you want the product tabs to appear in a vertical layout, go to the Tab section, change the tab type to vertical, and then click the Save button to save the changes. Now, if we go back to our website, you can see that the product tabs are displayed in the vertical layout. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.